Last time, nigga, they gave you several warnings, nigga, on mamas, nigga gonna do you in. Nigga, next time my mom call me, nigga saying anything, nigga, I'm knocking you out, nigga. Dead homies, nigga. Say something right now, nigga, I dare you to, nigga. I ain't playing, nigga. This your last motherfucking warning, nigga. On mamas, nigga. Nigga, I've been wanting to whoop your ass since I was 9 years old, nigga. When you was putting my mom in headlocks and shit, nigga, I should have fucked it. Nigga, I want to break your shit, nigga. But out of respect for my mom and Nana, nigga ain't touched you, nigga. On mamas, nigga. Next phone call I get, nigga, about you, nigga, just know, as soon as I walk through this door, nigga, I'm beating that ass, nigga. Dead homies, nigga, I'm not playing with you, nigga. On mamas, nigga, I dare you say one word right now, nigga. Say one word, nigga, because I